Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to learn how to do thermal stitch with a single crochet. So let us start. These are my scrap yarns. I put it on some paper rolls. So I don't have a yarn binder, so I find it is easy when there are some scraps. It is easy to use that one. So let us make a slip knot. Then we make 11 chains. One. Now it is 10 plus 1. Now I am going to do single crochet across this line. So single crochet from second chain from hook. This is the first chain, this is a second chain. I'm going to do only the back loop, the top loop. Next one, insert hook, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, bring it up, yarn over the hook, pull through both loops on the hook, single crochet. We are doing the single crochet on the top loop only. To begin the thermal stitch, you don't need to have a multiple of some chains as the foundation row. You can just chain as many as you needed. Now we finish with the first row of single crochet on the back loop only. Chain 1, we turn our work. Now we are going to insert the hook in the back loop of the last single crochet and the back loop of the foundation row. Bring up the loop. You're going to make one single crochet. Again this and here invert the loop of this foundation. 2, bring it up a little bit. 3, insert the hook in that one, bring up the loop, single crochet. Do it all the way across the line. This is the last single crochet on the row. Then we make one chain, turn the work, then again repeat the same like last row. Back loop of the next stitch and the back loop of the previous row. Make single crochet. This is a dense fabric. It will be good to have winter scarf and such things. If you are making this one in cotton, it will make a very good pot holders. After a couple of rows, it will be easier to find the back loop of 2 rows. And the last stitch you can just do a back loop single crochet. It looks like this and the other side looks like this. You have to remember that the chain 1 at the beginning of each row is not considered as a stitch. Now I wanted to see how the color changing works on thermal single crochet. So let us just do that. This is the last one. I'm going to insert the hook, pull up a loop. Now I'm going to get the next color and finish that stitch. Now I can cut this first color, leaving a long yarn tail. Now give it a tug. Both the yarn tails. I'm going to tug a little bit both the yarn tails to make it tighten, holding it tight. Then making chain 1 in the new color. Now I'm going to bring this one tails to the back side of the work, and I am going to crochet over the tails. I'm going to make one single crochet the same way, thermal single crochet. Five, 6. Now you can see how the other side look like, the two colors. So I'm going to do the thermal single crochets with the back loop of the white and the back loop of the pink. Now both the loops are white, so just continue the work. As I said, after a couple of rows it becomes easier for you to find the back loops of the working row and the row below that. In the next video, I will show you how to do a thermal stitch using double crochet. If you like the video, please like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel so you will know when the next videos are uploaded. See you next time. Bye now.